Mersen, at the heart of photovoltaics. Global photovoltaic capacities have boomed over the last 2 decades. They represented 1,200 gigawatts at the end of 2022, the average electricity consumption in India for a year. And this growth will accelerate with the development of high-performance conversion and storage solutions. 90% of photovoltaic energy relies on cells made from silicon. Their production involves several high-temperature and corrosive industrial processes requiring graphite. Mersen is a key player in the industry. The production process begins with a raw material, quartz. This very pure sand is melted into liquid silicon in a furnace at 1,500 degrees Celsius. The furnaces can be equipped with insulation solutions and graphite parts provided by Mersen. The gas obtained from this liquid silicon is then transformed into polysilicon. Silicon ingots, the main component of solar cells, are made from this material. The ingots are cut into wafers, which are doped and metallized in graphite boats. The resulting photovoltaic cells are then assembled into solar panels. Photovoltaic cell performance depends on the manufacturing process used, with up to 24% of solar energy being converted into electricity. Regardless of the process, Mersen's graphite equipment includes furnace linings, graphite parts, graphite boats, crucibles, and furnace insulation. Mersen also provides fuses, fuse holders, surge protection, and PV switches to ensure reliability and proper operation of the solar panels. The energy produced has to be injected into the electric network. That is the role of power converters. The key components for those converters are designed by Mersen and provided in an integrated architecture. The energy produced can be stored in batteries, which also benefit from Mersen's know-how through its solutions for protecting and connecting battery cells. Solar energy could represent 20% of the world's electricity production by 2050, so there are great opportunities ahead for Mersen.